Bom dia, good afternoon, good evening guys, wherever you are in this beautiful world, whenever you're watching this YouTube video. Welcome to the Bitcoin Family YouTube channel for the newcomers. My name is Didi Taihuttu. Yes, the guy that with his family 4 years ago started traveling the world after going all into Bitcoin, like you saw on CNBC yesterday when we were featured, and they're really cool. There was an update on CNBC how we as a family are doing it. In today's video, short video again because I have a shitload of work to do. I'm creating a lot of educational videos, one-on-one videos and 3-minute videos so you all understand the thing that we as a family are doing in blockchain, Bitcoin and life. In today's video, yes, bombing you with some really cool Bitcoin charts, also showing you in the short term. Wow, it's really windy today, it's stormy, the weather is not that good, but also showing you what in the short term we can expect of Bitcoin, because we are forming a really strange wedge and we don't know for sure if we are going to break to the upside or to the downside. It's a really cool chart, so make sure you see that part of the video. And also, of course, taking a look at the Didi Bam Bam charts, we are going to take a look at the whales, and we are going to talk about a little bit of news that I read this morning already, but it's not going to be a long video because tonight, guys, yes, like you use every Friday, there will be another episode about the Bitcoin family together with Goldstein Media. So I'm going to keep this video short because you guys can enjoy our whole family tonight again on a really cool episode on Goldstein Media about the family life we live as a family. A must see. Enjoy today's video, guys. Bam! Like you can see, guys, yes, on the beach, but also yes, wearing a hoodie. It's a very cold day today for me. Not cold for the normal people probably. I just feel like a little chilly because it's like cloudy and they are predicting a huge storm today with like wind power 8, or how do you say this? Wind 8? Windkracht. Windkracht in the Netherlands. Is this wind power in the English? I don't know. Stupid Dutchie. Wind power, I will call it, but it's like the force of the wind. I think they are predicting number 8 force with like 4-meter high waves. The sea looks really calm to me, so probably that is where the saying comes from, calm before the storm, because they are expecting a huge storm to strike here, the Portugal coast, Algarve. Not only a storm on the sea and in Portugal, guys, maybe we can also see a storm in Bitcoin, because there is a shitload of whales uploading their funds to exchanges. And why are whales always uploading their funds to exchanges? Mostly because they want to sell at the top, and the top at this moment, if we look to the exchanges, is around $19,500. How do we know? Because we can see a lot of sell orders around $19,500. Check this chart. Bam! Yes, that was a very friendly bam. On this BAM chart, you can see all the exchanges, and you can see these squares, yellow, gray squares, and you can see that there's a shitload of Bitcoins being sold around 19,500. On Binance, for example, there's around 426 Bitcoins being sold around this 19,500 level. And also on all the other exchanges, this is a region where the whales are selling their Bitcoins again. It looks like they want to stop us from crashing the 20k level, because all those sell orders are put there between 19,500 and 20k. I don't know what the reason is. Why can't we break this yet? Maybe they want us to go sideways for a couple of weeks so that the altcoins can boom again, and then they can take profit over there. And when the altcoins boomed again, you take your profit, hedge it into Bitcoin, and then Bitcoin to the end of the year maybe will break the 20k or even the 22, 23, 24 level, because that is what I'm going to show you on this next chart. In the short term, we can expect the following. So let's take a look at this next chart. This chart is a really cool chart. Yes, the beach is empty because everybody is freezing, and I think it already stormed this night because I can see the beach pulled back. Like it is like, check how wide the beach is in the morning. Look how calm it is, calm before the storm. Well, let's take a look at this next chart that's going to show you what the short-term picture for Bitcoin could be. This chart. Bam! The question about this chart, are we seeing a bearish wedge or are we seeing ascending triangle? A bearish wedge because the top line is going up a little bit which makes it a bearish wedge, which would give the biggest chance of breaking to the downside. An ascending triangle if the top line would be seen as horizontal. A horizontal top line makes it it's really windy. It is really windy, guys, but I will try to keep talking while I'm being sandstormed over here. But if this top line is like horizontal, seen as horizontal, then we have an ascending triangle. Mostly implies that we will continue the trend and the direction we are going, and that means up. So it's a very small difference in this top line between bearish and bullish. So now the question, if it is a bearish wedge, then we could fall down the amount of the width of the start of the start of this wedge, and that is 3K. So if we break out to the downside because it's a bearish wedge, we can fall back to 17,000 US dollar. The number I also said yesterday. So put your sell orders around that level of 17,000 US dollar. It is a very important region. If we fall back, we could fall back there because hey, 1 second, it's really windy. Oh my god, it's so. Hey, it's windy as fuck. It's really windy. So if we go the other side, an ascending triangle, guys, then it would mean the opposite. Then we can break out to the upside with 3K, which would mean that we can see a Bitcoin price of 23,000 US dollar. So it's very exciting. What is it going to be? Are we going to break to the upside? Bam, 23K, or are we going to see this pullback? Bam, of 3K to 17K. Let me know in the comments what you think that will happen. The sand against my legs, it's just like really thin sand. It's like a sandstorm. Don't exaggerate, Didi, man. You're not used to anything. No, I am. I did never hike in the Sahara or one of those stuff, but this feels really cold to me, guys. Sorry. Woo. I'm going to make it short, guys, because I'm freezing. Yeah, my eyes are I'm starting to cry because of the charts I do it. But let's take a look at the Didi Bam Bam indicator. How did we do yesterday? Very shortly, just a minute. Here, this chart. Bam! On the chart, you can see we trade with a leverage of 10 and we traded with 200 US dollar. It was a pretty flat day. It was not like a really cool trading day. It was not really volatile. It's not a lot of profits to make over there, but still we did manage to make some profits. The first long we took was a long which created 22% profit, so turned 200 US dollar in 244 US dollar. The second trade was again a long, guys. It was a long with 7% profit, so that turned the 240 US dollar into 260 US dollar. And the third trade, guys, also a trade of like 7% profit at the moment, so we are around 280 US dollar at the moment, but we are still in this long. We have a take profit set at 19,750 because the Fibonacci levels show us that that's a take profit point. So we are still in this long and probably taking profit at 19,750. But at the moment, we had a total amount of 280 US dollar, so that's an $80 profit on a $200 trade. Still a pretty awesome result if you ask me for a very flat trading day with the Didi Bam Bam indicator. So I am still happy with the result, guys. Yes, keeping the video short, so I will continue now to the blockchain/news part of the video. This part, bam! And of course, we're starting about CNBC. Why? Because CNBC yesterday featured us in a beautiful article. They did an update with us on how we are doing as a family at the moment. It is really cool when we reach CNBC. We did an hour interview or something with them, and I think they are probably going to do some more updates in the next couple of weeks because they really love the story. And they told me, Didi, I really like the way you explain all this difficult blockchain and Bitcoin stuff to us. You can educate people in a very cool and practical way. So let's keep in touch and let's do some updates the next couple of weeks. This article was a really cool article. Of course, an update on our lives, how we are doing, and how do we see the future of Bitcoin, and where do we see the Bitcoin price end up in the next 2 years. Read the article and you see my vision on where I expect Bitcoin to go. Then there is some other news that I want to share with you guys. It is almost Christmas, and during Christmas a lot of platforms do these cool actions. Machina Trader, one of the tour sponsors, is doing a really cool thing as well. They created an advent calendar. So every day you check into the community, you get a new Christmas badge, and also one of these advent calendar days pops open, however you say this in English, and behind some of them there are really cool prizes. So you can win ledgers, so you can win t-shirts, you can win books, you can win all kinds of really cool stuff. If you want to take part in this really cool Christmas free calendar giveaway stuff, then sign up to machinatrader.com. Use my referral link down below in the description, down below in the comments, because if you use my referral link, I will automatically add you to the Bitcoin family area of this huge community that has been growing daily on Machina Trader. As the Bitcoin family on our Discord server, we are going to do something as well, but we give away education every day. So we are sharing some really cool videos and knowledge every day again in our Discord server. So no presents, just a little bit family tokens here and there. But Machina Trader is doing it really cool. So make sure you become part of this whole Machina Trader community, because they will soon launch their automated trading platform. And believe me, it is going to be kick-ass cool. You can create your own strategies, sell your own strategy, market your own strategies, and way more stuff on this platform. So make sure you become part of the community already, so you are always up to date about what Machina Trader is doing. Some other shilling that I want to do is about the other sponsors of this tour. houseofdao, guys. We are building a co-living, co-working place in Thailand on a tropical island, the place where you need to be when it is winter in the rest of the world. It is beautiful. The community is cool. Everybody is living and working together there and wants to build a better future by using the tools of blockchain and crypto, and that is what houseofdao.io is all about. Also blockchainvalley virtual, one of the supporters as well. They are now building a virtual world first. Because of COVID, it's difficult to start building the physical world. So you can join this virtual blockchainvalley virtual world now. My avatar is also being created. It will soon be live. I will share it, of course, with you in these videos. But also really cool to sign up to blockchainvalley virtual. Then, of course, please don't forget the exchange Prime XBT, which has been supporting us from the beginning of this tour. Prime XBT is one of the big supporters, guys. Don't forget to check this exchange. You can copy trade. I think the dude thought that I was going to trespass, well, like he was coming. Okay, I didn't hear him coming. Prime XBT, guys, it's a cool exchange to leverage trade, to spot trade. There's also really cool exchange to copy trade and to play the turbo game, because a turbo game is just very addictive. So maybe I shouldn't be shilling this addictive stuff. But again, the copy trading is also really cool. I'm doing fine with the copy trading. The first part I traded with the copy traded, I made like $400 profit. Now I need to be honest, I made like $120 loss, but still, you know, in average I'm in profit when it comes to copy trading on Prime XBT. And then one more project I want to show, Paid Network. I became part of Paid Network as an advisor supporter. Guys, this Paid Network is going to change the whole world when it comes to all this legal stuff that normally is very difficult and expensive. And Paid Network is simplifying this by using a dApp and making it possible for people to create really cool deals also on smaller amounts and building them on the Polkadot blockchain by creating cool smart contracts and all that stuff. Please do check Paid Network. They are going to go live very soon, so do check them now. You want to be one of the first to be joining the Paid Network as well. There's of course no trading advice, because I'm not allowed to do this, I think, on camera. So that's just a dude on the beach telling you what he thinks could be a really cool project that will increase in price. No trading advice. Okay, that was everything for today, guys. Yes, like I said, a short video because I need to create some more cool kick-ass educational videos today, and I also want to celebrate some weekend. And tonight, guys, there will be another family episode together with Gokstein Media. I am already looking forward. I didn't see it yet myself. They want to surprise me, I think, or something like this, because they are not showing me the episode up front. But tonight, around 4 or 5 European time, there will be another episode by Gokstein Media about the Bitcoin family. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy the video, give the video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and please leave a comment. That was a lot of words without taking any breath. I'm almost dying here. The sun starts to shine, the wind is gone, the day is going to be beautiful again. Always a nice moment to remind you to zoom out in Bitcoin and to zoom in at life. Try to enjoy every single minute of the day, as that is exactly what life is about. And yes, also this whole weekend, try to enjoy it to the fullest. Thanks for watching, and hopefully see you tomorrow again. Bye.